In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can find booking.com's promo code. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step and hit that subscribe to our channel for more future promo code related videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and click on the first option over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to its official page. Once you're in this page, at the top versus search, you want to click on it and then search for booking. Once you write booking, it should show you booking.com. You want to click on booking.com and all the promo codes available for booking.com is going to be shown to you. Now from all these options, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this 15% off one. I can click on it and it's going to show me the coupon code of booking.com. So let's wait for some time. It straight up took me to booking.com's website and it also has applied the code. As you guys can see, the promo code has been applied. Now I can just log in into my account and book something, and the promo code, since it's already applied during the checkout time, I'm going to get the 10% off. So that's how you guys can find promo code of booking.com. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.